Have you ever been riding peacefully and suddenly your motorbike starts losing power? Believe it or not, this is one of the most common issues riders face, and it can even lead to dangerous situations or shorten your bike's lifespan. So today, let's join Zalo Vietnam and uncover why does your motorbike lose power and how can you fix it effectively? What does losing power really mean? When a motorbike loses power, every ride suddenly becomes an unexpected event. You twist the throttle, nothing happens. Or worse, the engine starts right in the middle of the edge. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, a little scary. And the truth is, powerless is not power control. It's a warning sign that something inside your life isn't working very sure. This could be called a fuel failure, electrical vacancies, or a failure of ignition system. Because there are so many functions off, fixing the vehicle can't be fixed and requires a bit of patience, and sometimes professional help. Don't panic. Diagnose first. When your bike starts losing power, don't rush or panic. Start by checking the basics. Do you still have enough fuel? Is the electrical system working properly? Is the ignition firing correctly? If you can't identify the issue in your own, don't worry. Bring your bike to a trustworthy mechanic who has the tools and experience to help. Remember, staying calm won't fix the problem, but it will help you think more clearly and handle the situation safely. And every breakthrough is a chance to learn more about your bike, how it works. Science game motivator is usually leading audience to simple. One, small acceleration. Before the throttle, if the bike is calm, slow, it feels heavy, slow, and takes forever to pick up speed. Two, sudden slowdown or storm. The bike will even real speed, leaving all of that room. A big safety risk in running into. Three, excessive action. If foot blocks not comes from the exhaust, the engine isn't going to be efficient. Four, struggling and slow. On uphill runs, the bike feels weak, even with maximum throttle. It simply can't deliver the power you expect. Common causes of power loss. So what's actually happening inside the bike? Here are the most likely reasons. 1. Using the wrong fuel. Old bikes with low compression need A92. Modern bikes require A95. Mixing fuel types can harm the engine. 2. Clogged fuel system. Dirty fuel lines or a blocked injector, carburetor prevent fuel from reaching the engine properly. 3. Low tire pressure. Flat or underinflated tires increase friction and make the bike feel slow and heavy. 4. Worn-out clutch. A worn clutch reduces the bike's ability to transfer power to the rear wheel. 5. Dirty or faulty carburetor. If the carburetor is blocked or misadjusted, the air-fuel mixture becomes unbalanced. 6. Dirty spark plug. A spark plug is covered in carbon can't ignite fuel efficiently, causing misfires and storms. 7. Old or incorrect engine oil. Using the wrong oil or not changing its engine oil reduces engine performance. 8. Wrong chain instructions. A loose or split chain weakens power and heat, making the bike feel slow. How to fix the motor losing power. Good news, most of these problems are easy to solve with proper maintenance. Use the correct fuel, a 92 for older, low compression engines, a 95 for modern high compression bikes. Clean and check the spark plug. A clean spark plug ensures strong, reliable ignition. Clean the carburetor and adjust the settings. This helps restore proper fuel flow and performance. Change engine oil regularly. Replace oil every 2,000 to 4,000 kilometers. Keep your engine truly healthy. Check tire pressure. Proper tire pressure improves stability and speed. Maintain the clutch. Replace non-test parts to restore flow power. Inspect the chains and sprockets. Tighten, clean, and replace focusing. By taking care of these simple things, you can eliminate handling, extend your slot chain, and enjoy smoother, safer rides every day. Finally, losing power doesn't mean removing it. It simply means it needs attention. Choose the right tool. Maintain your stock, cover, oil, fluff, and clean. And don't forget to visit a trusted mechanic when needed. With proper care, your motorbike will always be ready to take you anywhere. Strong, stable, and full of confidence.